staying though with the tarantula. I don't see that guy back in the kitchen. It's a guy? I just have audio. No, it's a guy who like
everybody quick!
animals and he lets them bite them. Oh really? Why would he do that? I don't know, he was like, I'm Patty Peter said, and I'm going into the bite zone of the right now. Poison?
Poison.
Poison.
Yeah, look, poison.
That's not what? How that's poison?
To dogs, it
It is.
Things are poison.
I think avocado is very poisonous to birds.
This is they're highly venomous.
Which ones?
The banana spiders.
Mm-hmm.
Or the wandering spider.
It's not as cute as that trip. Except there's like some
Yes, is it Dad? That's not princess.
oh, it's up there.
My dad said it was princess. It was not a real girl.
Wow. 5 hours
Let's see
though?
a real princess.
What on?
slow, long-lasting contraction.
I'm not going to be brave of
This is your spot.
Strate! It's looking scary. You just have to be careful.
It's cold outside. It's very cold outside. I think it's in the 40s.
Come on, girl. It's made out of basketball.
Oh, see?
It's like their process to get the sign in.
It might snow, huh? On Wednesday. That's the day I come home.
Yeah.
It's hot when I get to LA. Yes. Emmy's gonna take you. And then they get to take the catheter out. And that's all they're gonna do.
Is due to the plants or the things that they do. Yeah. Like they don't produce it biologically. It's just like a artifact of the things that they interact with. Yeah. That's exactly what I was just going to say. And then the song started playing in my head.
Put him down and off he goes. can't imagine.
And his shorts are always so tight too, so it's just like so fitting. It's just so hilarious.
I guess it is a silkworm. Is a silkworm caterpillar the same as a silkworm?
Uh-huh.
That's so cool.
The poison horribly burned Glossy, and when the king tried to help her, he was poisoned too. Triumphant in her revenge, Medea flew away in a golden chariot. Jason, shocked and saddened, was left with nothing.
We've now learned can unhinge their jaw to fit it.
His husband, Jason, who was famous for finding the golden fleece. Arrived at court, the king and his daughter Glossy through the The young princess immediately fell in love with Jason. And Jason, imagining even worse than
That's real, actually. Is it?
it was decided the lovers would marry and the baby should be sent away. Broken-hearted and betrayed, Medea sent her children to court to be looked after. To bribe Glossy, she gave her children presents for
This freak is which unhinge. The wolf's bane, which is the wolf is fit for afraid.
Sometimes poison. If he defeats the Hyenk, the harness of blood, which contains a powerful poison, does not always increase the shock. When the couple arrived, the young princess immediately fell in love.